it nighttime out there?
Yeah, it is.
Oh god. Where are we?
Oh shit! Oh god!
We made a mistake, Andrew.
This building.
Oh, back at it again, baby.
Why's the fire
Oh,
spread?
I have like an arm too.
Because it's by grass, probably.
Have some nice leaves.
Nope, it's science in here.
Burn the body.
Have that leg and that foot.
Oh,
Arm.
Yummers.
Bro, this is
Jacob, you're not
awesome
cooking
already.
them.
I think the shit may have respawned. I don't know.
Oh yeah,
There's some
did arrows
arrows over
respawns. Arrows respawns.
Why can't I move?
Carbon
And I can
fiber arrows? Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, all of this respawns.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, Jacob.
I did not. Oh, I just added printer. Okay, don't worry.
There's all new tape.
Okay, let's see what we want to make.
Yes, stuff. I love goodies.
We can make a
Solar
tech.
panels.
We want to make tech armor.
Sure.
How much is that?
How
Is
much
it all
is
Might
big?
as well. It's
tech
not
armor?
early, might as well.
Unless it's expensive.
Yeah. Here, 1 second. I'm gonna get an axe out.
Wait, is this tech armor glowing?
I'll do that. Is it what?
Am I like glowing? I feel like my hands just glue there. Like,
No, it has a light on it. No, you're not wrong. It is glowing. There's like a tiny light.
I don't see it, dude. I have creepy armor on one hand and bone armor on the other.
hey, Mr.
What?
Deer, how you doing?
Are you actually doing it?
We'd have no use for you anymore. Oh, it's
Dog
breaking.
hair.
It's breaking. Oh!
Our
Hey, we
house.
do get the logs back.
Don't break the bed.
Break the bed.
No.
And then,
He's back.
Oh!
can I eat
Oh
the
yeah,
skin
good
patch?
idea work. There you go.
Let's build right here.
What are we
Still,
checking? Are we
'cause I
taking
don't
a
want to
bigger
pull
one?
it
Putting
off.
rocks in here.
Oh, we can make stew.
We can?
That is
Yeah,
what
we
I've
can
been
make
waiting to hear
boiled
for
meat,
years.
chicken. We can make chicken noodle soup. We just need-
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Kelvin, get
Get out of the fire!
Jacob, you're killing him!
I'm not.
It's not Jacob's fault, it's his fault.
I think you have to cut the wood planks
There's
in
a
half.
fire
Shake it
here.
and cut the wood. You have to cut the wood in half.
Yo,
Why is
who
there
the
a fire?
fuck?
There's a fire here for some reason. I was trying to place logs and there was already a fire and
Okay, so Andrew, yeah, you just
I have
cut
the door.
Yeah. How's it work?
Just walked into
Okay, I got it. Don't worry, guys.
Dude, I know this seems stupid, but with you just constantly getting us sticks, I'm gonna just start building a stick. So I'm gonna build a stick sword.
build a stick
After
house.
building
I'm
a
not
fire.
gra-
I'm
I'm
building
not
a
grabbing
big
six for
fire
shit.
first.
I'm gonna go kill shit.
Well, I'm having him do it.
He's hunting force.
Oh, I see him
I
moving.
think I already did.
Oh, did I
Maybe
hit it?
multiple.
Oh, I missed.
Are you fucking
Clever
kidding me?
girl.
I just chopped the tree on top of Kelvin. It's
I think he's
Is he
okay.
Oh, there's a lot of them, Andrew. What
lot
is
of
this thing? They killed Kelvin! They killed Kelvin!
Ah,
We gotta go get the monkey who killed him. He ran into the forest. There he is!
is he like forever
You know,
dead
is he
now?
actually like dead?
Hit
Or,
him!
like-
yeah, he's
Yeah,
dead.
he's dead. Get him!
Oh, what
Get him,
the?
Andrew! Wait,
don't
so
get
he's
water,
dead
would you?
dead. He's not coming back.
I think
I
he'll
guess
come
not.
back.
Hopefully he can.
With
I
the,
hope
with the
he
power
can
of
come back.
friendship.
That would
You know what? We're
suck.
just gonna have to wait a couple of minutes, and maybe he'll come back.
We'll go
Oh,
back
he's
tomorrow.
still
or
the mini
something.
map.
Let's sleep it off.
One eternity later.
Oh, a cave.
Oh goody, we can go.
It's
explore.
caving time.
David.
Are these just
Oh.
mannequins? What the fuck?
I'm craving a caving, dude.
Oh, sweet.
I miss
Oh,
Oh, I
finding the
lost armor.
passage.
One of those things attacked me.
I've lost all three of my armors in that
I
the
have
time I was
4.
building the goddamn house.
I have one of mine at least. I can still see it.
Well,
on there.
most of you probably lost when we murdered Kelvin. We lost him in
That's a
anger.
very ominous sound. I don't
Yeah, I
like
did.
that.
Shit,
How we got
there.
this, boys?
Oh,
Alright,
yeah, buddy.
Away we go.
I'm kind of scared.
This is fucking sick air. I got an air.
Oh,
tank.
yummy. Me too. You
Oh
can use,
no,
like,
not
God, are we
fucking
gonna have to
scuba
go
diving
underwater?
again. Y'all remember scuba diving?
That was
Yeah, that was really fun.
okay. Dead guys. Is there anything else of value in here?
It doesn't look like it. I guess it was just a
We
slingshot
gotta
there.
go further. I think we can go further.
Can we get? Can we get up here?
Oh, there's a rope! Guys, look, there's a rope!
Oh, there's a room. Oh, there's a light right here too.
Obviously another way. It's a zip line down. There's obviously
Wait,
another
wait, I have an
way
idea.
around.
There's cloth on there.
I want stuff.
Okay, we
What's your
need
idea?
something for this.
What the hell is that?
Oh, is it the grappling hook, maybe? I have the printed grappling hook. How do I make it like a...
I put a rope through mine.
Yeah, I don't... Okay, let me see.
And then, like,
Oh, yeah, here we
it
go.
doesn't let me do anything with it.
Weird. I thought that would be
maybe
it.
like an actual one? I don't know. Okay, there's another thing. It's kind of far, but that's the closest thing I see. Just head to that, I guess. Oh, I found the
Okay.
thing, guys! Yay!
Oh, thank you. Yeah,
Are we supposed to be proud of you or something?
Yes.
I guess.
Oh,
What the hell
I made
was
a
that
bad...
noise?
I don't
I
Why
made a
did I
bad
do
noise.
Whoa.
Oh, is that fucking Jesus?
And more
We're
air.
cult members.
Let's see.
Have you lost
I
all
can't
hope
get in.
and
Oh, new
happiness?
book, The
can't get
Rebel
in.
Beyond.
No, don't pick up.
Real subtle, guys.
Oh,
Okay, I opened my inventory.
it's like we're screwed, boys.
I got it, I just opened my inventory.
I opened my inventory too. I was like, Rex, the
What'd
book
you open?
first.
Yeah, the book
We got it.
was
We
fucking-
picked up a book.
We picked up a book.
Uh,
Oh, there's a way down.
It goes
yeah,
down.
oh, we need a rebreather for that. We definitely need a rebreather for that. Hell no.
Is this all this cave is? It's all this cave
Okay,
is.
there's 2 more air tanks. We can just use these.
Yeah, we just
Yeah.
Canned
in
food.
here.
I got
I got a
canned
canned
food
food.
over
Where do we
here.
get the
Oh, nice.
rebreather?
And
Can we guys go to the right damn cave?
I
Is it a
don't know.
printer thing?
I don't think it's a furnace thing.
So much
Look
wood.
it up.
Yeah, it says it circled the one that's outside, and the only one that we went on the outside we already went into. So I wonder if we just passed it up or something.
Maybe. I guess let's just go to where that is then. We'll see.
Oh wow, we could have gone up here this whole time. We're just fucking stupid. Alright.
We're actually smart.
I think me and Rex went in here, and that was it.
Where'd we
I
go?
was in here too, but we did not go up this way. What the fuck is this?
Oh, I can't
Yeah.
carry any more
Oh,
air
there's
tanks.
people. Oh, there's people.
Oh, at least I got a skull.
Where?
I think these people
Wait, is that
no, they're
more
not,
Crunchy
they're not
Crunchies?
dead.
Oh,
Oh,
what the shit?
Oh, it's one of
why
these
is this
dudes.
something like that? Oh my god.
Creepy people.
Dude, it's a water monkey.
The armor dude.
I want
Look
it.
at the poor noodle.
Move! Can we hard?
This fucking, oh, is this guy?
Dead.
Holy shit, that's a scary ass fucking...
Actually, you cut him. You can have it.
I need
How do I
a
do
lot
that?
of armor.
You walk up to him and skin him. It's a hold. It's a
I got
different
it.
hold wide. Oh, it goes further. Oh shit. Oh my god,
Look at
no,
all the
the bones!
bones. What's the bone
Bones,
for?
bones, bones.
I collected fish!
Oh, perfect. That's the creepy dude.
Give me that boner on.
Okay, I need a skinny for
Dude, what the
Oh, it
fuck?
looks like there might be supplies down here we could drink.
Holy
There's
shit.
there's a shark in the water. I can see it. It's fucking swimming.
Shit, dude, I might die.
Yeah,
I'm
there it
gonna die.
is.
Oh,
I'm gonna die over here.
Yeah, I'm gonna die of thirst in a minute.
I'm just gonna die because there's a fucking guy here.
okay, that shark in the water is not gonna be too happy about
Drink.
this. I'm gonna grab
Oh,
this.
Rebreather.
Drink it!
Yes.
Oh,
Try
Try the energy drink.
watch and drinky poo and fires.
yeah, the shark is just in the water, swimming.
MREs.
That makes sense.
Oh, why is he chilling so close to the top?
No one get to me in time or no?
Oh, I just stopped coming over to you.
Oh, what the hell? Can you please get me? I don't want to die.
I made it.
Get me. Oh, dude, that was actually like 2 seconds away. Thank you, dude. Thank you. I owe you my fucking
That was
life.
the creature that killed
Yay.
you.
Where the hell's the... I don't know. It went away now.
Okay,
It's
Rex, come get the rebreather equipment. Come on.
it was
Wait
like
a second,
spiky
guys.
and it had like an open fucking...
What, Jay?
Stomach or
What now?
Oh,
I have
that's
an
a
idea.
special
What if we
one.
jump in the water?
I think
What
that's one of the
fucking
special
God?
ones. That's not a regular one, Rex. That's
Yeah, no,
a
I could tell it
special
wasn't regular because it looked weird and killed me in like 2 hits.
This definitely
Hey, put
can't
it
go
on.
wrong at all, can it?
Wait, since
put
when
it
did I
on.
get fish?
Alright.
Yeah, I had fish from earlier. I don't know where I got
Alright,
them. either.
gamers.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna
Where
make some
is
food
this
real
rebreather?
I'm
quick.
gonna eat that shit.
There it
On the
is.
right side.
Okay, I'm gonna throw a fucking...
It's over here, Rex, by me. It's right over here.
There's
also an energy drink. It's right here.
Oh, here, okay.
Oh, I'm fucking dumb. It's water. I'm fucking
Yeah.
stupid.
Oh, wait, no, we can still stay down there. See how deep it is.
Oh, shit, yeah, there's pretty cool.
This is
Alright,
gonna
just
work.
whipping my
This
little
is gonna
tiny
go
axe.
so well. Oh my god.
Come here, Mubbo. Oh, we can't hold weapons.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no, no. My ass.
God, we can't fight it down there. What?
Fuck my ass.
I don't see anything. I think I'm okay right now.
Fight it. He hasn't
Oh,
really
there's
left
a
the
hole.
surface.
There's a hole here. I'm going through a hole.
Andrew.
What? I'm behind Jake.
What's
Literally
here?
right behind.
This is so much better
I
than
don't
the
know how
fucking
the
one from the last
hell
game.
you guys
Holy
got to the
shit.
hole.
I didn't even
Oh my
jump
God.
down there yet.
Rex,
This
I don't
one's
know where they
leading to
went.
something, I think.
Me neither.
Jacob, I hear water running.
There's
Oh,
ocean.
we're in the ocean.
That's correct.
I'm a skate. I'm a
It's dark
skate.
as fuck, dude. Holy fuck.
Is it nighttime out
Yeah, it is.
Oh god. Where are
We're in the
battery
ocean. Oh God!
we? We made a
Just
mistake, Andrew.
there? What's the point of this,
I
dude?
think there's river. I think there's water back over here. Or land.
Guys.
Oh my god, this is a
What
dumb
the
idea. Andrew.
heck?
Why did we do this? Oh, land, thank god.
My game. Oh, my mouse died.
Wait, what do we need? Sticks?
I think my game crashed.
Oh, it's not
It's not
responding.
responding.
Damn it,
When was the
man.
last time we
Oh, we
saved?
did not just save. We didn't save for a while.
I gotta hurry. I don't think I can even
Oh,
feel
no,
it.
yeah. Oh, yeah. Wait, no, I'm here. I'm still here.
He's
still
back.
here.
I think
Bet
Finish
you
the game.
are.
Andrew,
Well,
that's the
I'm
first thing
fucking
to do is
saving
saving it.
first.
Yeah, save.
I'm
it.
saving first.
Right before we went saved.
The last time I saved was when we finished the house.
Well, at least you did that.
Yeah, that's the last time I saved.
Good morning, beautiful world. Beautiful.
Wait, let's see if Kelvin's alive now. Oh, no, he is still dead.
He'll come back another day. Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Maybe. I'm
Right?
going
He'll
to
come
the
back,
house.
right?
I'm going to the
Collect
house.
our own sticks. How
Is she
important.
gone forever?
Had our own sticks. Damn it.
I know.
Why?
That sucks, but it happens.
The one that goes beep boop boop bop, beep boop boop beep bop bop, beep boop boop beep bop boop bop, beep boop boop beep boop bop, beep boop boop bop bop, beep boop boop beep bop bop, beep boop boop beep boop boop bop, beep beep boop boop bop bop, beep boop boop bop, boop beep boop boop beep boop bop, beep boop boop beep bop.